we mount them, always mount them outside. We don't want to mount them with this thing inside the microwave. So the Teflon vessels have to be outside the microwave. Because when you put this thing in here, you don't want to bend it, because if you're inside, you're going to have to bend it to get it in. It's a fiber optic. Now, did you put your new solvent in this reference vessel?
Yes.
Now, we push this guy in here. Rotate him nice and easy. Bring this guy to the center here, and then close here. Come in here. Code password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hit OK. Prep. Method is already up. We go in here and check the method that was created before. You don't have to do anything, the method is already up, so we just run it. So the method is already set up, which we're gonna ramp up for 5 minutes to get to 65 degrees, and we're gonna hold for 10 minutes at 65 degrees, and then when we go to the run, it's gonna show us our exhaust time is 10 minutes because the run is 15. So after 15 minutes, this thing's gonna cool off for 10 minutes. On the run, both of these have to be highlighted, but when you go over here to method, show you something. When you go here to method under this, you go this T2 have to be highlighted, not T1. Okay, now that's it. Good, everything looks good. The stereo, we leave it at about 50% because if you go higher, the things will rotate faster. So we figure we just go with the average speed instead of trying to go too fast. And then this screen here does not show us the exhaust time. The exhaust time is 10 minutes. So we're gonna start by checking this first to see if that fiber optic on top it tangle up or not. If it does, we have to take it out and do it again. See that?
It's
on
good.
Top. I don't like that. So, do it again. What we need to do is bring this guy out from here and then push him back. Now let's see. See, it's not touching. It's not touching at all the way through the rotation. Watch this. On top, you see it's not touching. You see when it gets there, what happens? Yeah, now it's good. Now, check everything if we did everything right. Going down method, 65 degrees, 700. Hit start. Your system contains a sensor T1 measurement, therefore the curve for T1 was checked. This curve is not sufficiently defined. Do you really want to start the application? Yes. Start. Now, run it. Run here.